So if you want to worry about, well, is my site performing the way that it should? There's Google's Page Speed Insights. Okay, you can Google this at any time. It's a tool available, very easy, very anyone can use it, and you can pull up Google's Page Speed Insights, and I'll share my screen and show you that when you type in the URL for on Google Page Speed Insights, it will actually show you, it'll show you a lot of technical information that, might be overwhelming. You could always Google it and see what these extra terms mean, but don't worry about it if you don't actually know what any of these mean. This is what we're looking at right here. This is a good tool that you can say, okay, how is my website performing? It shows your performance. It shows your accessibility. Now, this is ADA compliance, which is a tool that we'll get to in a couple more minutes. But like I said, it shows your overall performance, your accessibility, your best practices, and your SEO. Usually, and Andrew can correct me if I'm wrong, but usually I say you really want to be in the 90 or above here for your performance. If you're lower than that, like perhaps in the 70s or the 80s, you can always reach out to the developers of your site or your host and say, hey, how can we get that a little faster? If you find that your performance is not where it needs to be and it's substantially lower than that, then you have to say to yourself, do I want to really put the technical work in to get these numbers where I need them to be? Or is it at the time and place where I should say, well, you know what, let's just do a redesign because I'm going to be spending time on updating my technical performance anyway. And the great thing about the Google PageSpeed Insights is two other things that you can know aside from the fact it's free. You can also pull it up and see how your site is performing on mobile. So, like I said, you can see if your speed is too slow or your accessibility isn't where it needs to be on mobile. And then, as well, you can also copy the link to the exact result.